The next tool that I want to show you is the Offset tool. That's this tool over here, so let's click on that. You can see over here the distance that we can offset the line work that we're on. I'm going to change this to 10 meters. You can put an M for meters at the end. Or type in 10,000. Revit by default is set to millimeters unless you're using Imperial. If I move my mouse to either side of the wall, and I can choose which side to offset the line. Just click and the wall will offset. I'm going to draw another wall, and maybe I'll draw a wall like this. Escape, escape. Now I'm going to hit OF for offset, which is the shortcut, and I'm going to hit Tab on my keyboard. And that will offset the whole wall. If I don't hit Tab, Revit will only offset a section of the wall. And you can see that it automatically trims the wall, which is handy. So you've got the option, if you want to select an entire section of wall or just a segment, use the Tab key. Putting my mouse over the wall on the side where I want it to offset, then hit Tab, then click the mouse. And Revit will select the whole wall at once.